If you're always planning your friends' trips all the time, you're leaving money on the table.
Where's my fucking money? Where is it?
You could be earning so much in commissions for things you're already doing. I'm gonna show you an example. So first we're gonna head to Marriott.com and we're going to pick our city of choice. We're gonna also pick our rooms of choice, and then you're going to click view rates. Now it's time to select your room. Once you've selected, you're going to pay attention to this number right here. After, we're gonna look for this box where it asks if you're a travel agent, and that's where you're gonna click. Inserting this number is how you're going to get paid by Marriott. So you're gonna take that number, you're gonna multiply that by the commission. You're gonna get this after the host gets their split. The split will vary depending on the host that you choose. And you also have to get your IATA number first, which you can get by joining a host or becoming a part of a franchise or going independent for a travel agent. All of which are discussed in my ebook. Yeah, I know, another ebook.
Give me your fucking money!
I discussed the different commission ranges that you can expect all inside of my ebook. You also get to find out the host that I paid $21 to a month, and I share 10 other hosts that you can join, and I give some freebies like how to start your business and some different resources that I use. The ebook can be found on my Instagram bio. See you there.